Now I'm going to show you how to make a 4-strand braided challah. Let's take the other half of our dough out. Lightly dust your board with flour before you start. We'll push out the air. And we'll cut this into 4 equal pieces. Okay. We're going to roll these out the same as the 3-strand. Of course, it's a little less dough. So start by making them fairly even. When they get about this thick, then you'll just stretch out a little bit on the ends and get that strand to be fat in the middle and skinny on the ends. Do it a little longer than that. Okay. And continue. First roll it even. And at the end, push down and stretch out at the ends to get that nicely shaped strand. There's number 4. Push down. As I push lightly in the center, and then as I work out, I push harder to get the ends a little skinny. Push in the center, go to the ends, and push down to get that nice shape. Now again, we're going to squeeze our 4 strands together. And this time we're going to do a weaving pattern. It's going to be over 1, under 1, and over 1. And we'll just continue that same pattern. Here we go. Over 1, under 1, and over 1. Over 1, under 1, and over 1. Over 1, under 1, and over 1. One more time. Over 1, under 1, and over 1. When you get to the end, you can do it one more time. Over 1, under 1, over 1. And then we'll just pinch these together and tuck them in. And do the same here. Pinch and tuck. And we'll place that on our prepared pan with our 3-stranded challah. And again, we'll put plastic wrap over the top to keep it moist and let it rise for 1/2 hour. It should double in bulk in the 1/2 hour of rising.